Welcome to Emotion Ride.
Ooh, what's this?
We have anger, growth, fear, shy, and joy.
Wow!
It costs 5 coins to enter.
I think I have some money! Me too! Adam, come on! Yes!
What?
Where's Olivia and Adam? They went inside! Let's go!
Hey, you forgot to pay.
Bye-bye!
Oh.
Oh no!
Oh no, no.
Oh, the kids got angry! We need to fix it! Huh? With balloons! Oh, yes!
What's going on?
Time to play! Are you ready? Yes!